Alright, so to begin with, we need to gather some fonts. I want to show you a cool website. This cool website is called thefont.com. So if you go into your web address, you're going to type in https semicolon forward slash forward slash www.thefont.com. You'll see this homepage, which will allow you to search for particular fonts. So if we did something like, I don't know, computer code, and do a search, we get nothing. I'm just going to update this to code, and it's going to give me any sort of theme of code. So this is actually pretty cool, and then we can just choose the design that we want. Got a lot of cool designs here. JD Code. This looks good. The one that we're going to be looking for is Design Code. Okay, so we're just kind of going through all these and going through some more. Okay, and unfortunately this is not in alphabetical order, so you're just going to have to bear with the program. In this case, we're just we know the code that we want, but this is also giving you kind of a feel of, hey, this is the code that we're looking for in terms of, some good designs and things like that. And it's very much trusted, so it's not going to put a virus on your computer. So this is a good website to go to. Now, considering the fact that I already know the name of the file, I am just going to type it in. I'm just going to be sure that I got the name right. Okay, so it's going to go here, and then we're looking for, and I misspoke, I apologize for that, Digital Dare. So we do a search for it. You click download. It's downloaded into your computer. So as I go into it, okay, now depending on your computer, your operating system, you might have a particular zip file extractor, but you would extract these zips, and then you're going to copy just these two files over to it's going to be C Windows /fonts, and then you're just going to copy it into your fonts folder. And now your operating system will recognize it, and it will pull it up for whatever program that you're running. So whether it's Excel, Word, PowerPoint, that font will be there and available for you to use. Digital Dare. Or any other font that you're using. But you're looking for OTF and the TTF extensions, which is these three letters at the end.